Here we have the dam on the River Road on the Raquette River in the middle of February. As you can see, we have a lot of ice buildup. This is the middle of February. It's probably about 15-20 degrees today. And following down. We have the Raquette River. It looks cold, and it is cold. That's ice buildup on the rocks. And again, the dam. And part of it's free. Water's flowing. That part's pretty well frozen. But the water's flowing here. Dam on the Raquette River, on the River Road.